The Sacred Chalice, otherwise known as last night's coffee mug. Who told you to buy a $60 witch cup on Etsy? Capitalism! That's who. Today I will show you how something found in the trash can outperform anything that Amazon sells you. Magic is not bought. It is earned, practiced, and reclaimed. Magic is transformation. And what is more magical than turning the discarded relics of humanity into power? Number 1. A tin can be turned into a censer. Take a tin can, punch some holes in it, set charcoal inside, and suddenly you've got yourself a censer. In ritual, the censer symbolizes purification, the presence of spirit, and the ascent of prayers. Item number 2. Coffee grounds can be used as incense. Every occultist is addicted to something, and 9 times out of 10, it is coffee. Don't throw those coffee grounds away. Dry them, mix them with a pinch of resin or cinnamon, and you've got incense that smells like a Parisian necromancer's kitchen. Coffee has long been tied to divination and clarity. Number 3. Broken glass can become a scrying mirror. Found a cracked picture frame or a shard of glass, blacken the back of it with paint or soot, and boom, you've got yourself a scrying mirror. The Picatrix and other grimoires speak often of gazing into polished surfaces to pierce the veil and gather insights. But if you want to get real classical, then use a polished piece of obsidian stone, mined directly from the mountains. Object number 4. You can turn a rusty nail into a protective talisman. In folklore, iron drives off spirits, fairies, and anything else that tries to eat your soul while you sleep. Got some rusty nails? Perfect. Clean them off, oil them, and bind one in red thread. Or if you're feeling extra medieval, take a blacksmith's hammer and hammer away and turn it into a customized charm that you can wear around your neck at all times. Object number 5. Bones, stones, and broken things. Do not underestimate bones or stones you find by chance. The ancients believed found objects are chosen objects. A bone, customized and consecrated, can serve as a wand. A shard of metal can become an amulet. Remember, the point isn't what it looks like. The point is the charge you give it. A thing cast away by the world becomes sacred when claimed by the magician. So, next time you walk past a dumpster, don't just see trash. See censers, mirrors, talismans, and wands, waiting for someone mad enough, or wizardly enough, to pick them up and transform them into power. Behold! Capitalism trembles when you conjure a sacred tool from a can of beans.